Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all well and good. Be safe in your home. Today we are going to see grade 3 science subject. In that fourth chapter, birds lesson. Okay children, birds lesson already we have discussed something about birds. Isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about nest of birds. What is that? Nest of birds. This is the nest of bird. Okay children, let me move to our lesson. Children, tell me where we are living. We are living in houses, isn't it? Yes, we have houses for living, sleeping and everything like that. But birds have a house. There is a, what is the name of the house for bird? It's a nest. What is that? Nest. Okay, nest of birds. Birds need shelter from bad weather and enemies. They want to protect themselves, no. So they need a house. That is the nest. They also need a place to lay eggs to protect their young ones. A bird's shelter is called a nest. Okay. Birds usually build their nest in spring season before the start of summers. Okay. Okay children. Children, tell me the things which we need used to make buildings. Which are things we used to make buildings? Yes, good. We use bricks, cement, sand and wood also we can use, isn't it? But birds use, you see, they use dry twigs, thread, leaves, string, wool, mud, etc. to build nests. Okay, you see the nest, how it looks. It with the help of strings and all, no? Yes, leaves, strings, that and all made of nest. Okay, nest on trees, terraces, ventilators, tube lights, etc. They will build the nest those places. They lay eggs and hatch them in the nest only. The chicks stay in the nest till they are old enough to fly. Okay, that lay eggs hatch the nest. The chicks no. That chicks stay in the nest itself. It become a old to fly. So that the time onwards it will stay in the nest only. After that only it will move from the nest. Okay. Okay. In that types of nests we can see one by one. First one is the tailored bird. What is that? Tailored bird. Tailored bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together using thread and wool. This is the reason why it is called tailored bird. For what purpose it called as tailored bird means you see a beak like a needle. Okay, to sew leaves together using thread and wool. This is the reason why it is called tailored bird. Okay children, have you seen tailored bird? This is the tailored bird. Okay. Next is the weaver bird. Weaves pieces of leaves, grass and twigs to build a beautiful nest with a tunnel-like opening at the bottom through which it enters the nest. Have you seen weaver bird? This is the weaver bird and its nest. How it looks? It looks very nice, isn't it? With the help of thread and wool. You see this one? It's look like a tunnel like opening at the bottom, isn't it? Yes. Next is the woodpecker. Already we have studied about woodpecker, isn't it? Yes. Woodpecker pecks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak to make a hole for a nest. Already what we have studied about woodpecker? woodpecker will make a holes in the tree to get a insects from it, isn't it? Yes. You see woodpecker's house. This is the holes of woodpecker in the tree. It is a house of woodpecker. Okay. Woodpecker live into the tree trunk with its sharp beak. Next is the penguins. Penguins live in freezing cold areas. They cannot find twigs or leaves, so they collect some pebbles and their nest is ready. You see the penguin. Penguins live in freezing cold areas. Lives in cold areas. Okay. Next is the kingfisher. A kingfisher burrows a hole on the banks of a river to use it as a nest. We should not touch or disturb the chicks in a nest. Birds do not like it. Watch birds quietly from a distance. You see the holes? Here have a holes? No. Yes. This is the nest of kingfisher. Okay. A kingfisher burrows a hole on the banks of a river only. We should not disturb the chicks in a nest. Okay. Next is the parental care. Okay. The mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. This process is called incubation. When the baby is completely formed in the egg, the bird sits on the eggs. We can see the picture. You see the bird sits on the nest. Okay. Yes. To keep them warm, this process is called incubation. Okay. When the baby is completely formed in the egg, the baby chick comes out from the egg by breaking the shell, which is known as hatching. The babies or chicks are weak and featherless. Their eyes are closed. The parents keep them warm and feed them. The parents look after the babies till they are old enough to fly and find food on their own. You can see in this picture, you see the bird is sitting on the egg, isn't it? Next, the chick has come out from the shell. It's a hatching. Okay. Next, the study of birds is called ornithology. Okay. And a person who studies birds is called an ornithologist. The study of birds. We are studying the subjects now. That studying of birds is called as ornithology. The person who studies birds is called an ornithologist. Okay. In that, Dr. Salim Ali. Who is that? Dr. Salim Ali. Salim Ali was a famous ornithologist. Okay. Who's that? Dr. Salim Ali. Yes. Ornithologist of India. He wrote many beautiful books about birds and he did a lot for conservation of birds and wildlife. He has been awarded Padma Bhushan by the government of India. Okay, he got an award of Padma Bhushan by the government of India. You see who is that? Dr. Salim Ali. Okay, children. We can see the quick scroll. Birds are able to fly because they have streamlined body, flight feathers, hollow bones and wings. Okay, birds like ostrich, emu, penguin and kiwi are called flightless birds because they cannot fly. Birds have different types of beaks. There is a beaks, not breaks. Okay, it's a given a spelling mistake because they eat different types of food. Birds use their claws for movement, for holding things and for protection. Birds builds their nest to lay eggs and keep their babies safe from bad weather and enemies. Study of birds is called ornithology. Okay. Children, you can change the spelling here. Beak. B-E-A-K-S. Okay, beaks. You can change it in your book. Some of the keywords we can see. Streamlined shape. It's a board shaped. Talons. Sharp claws of preying birds. Wading. Walking in water. Migration. Movement of birds from one place to another. Parental care. Taking care of young ones by parents. Ornithology. Study of birds. Okay children, I hope so. You all have understood this lesson. We have discussed so many things about birds, isn't it? Okay, today we can see some new words. Twigs, T-W-I-G-S, twigs. Beaver bird, migration, incubation, hatching, parental. Okay, let me move to our activity session. Today activity is write new words 2 times. Draw bird's nest with eggs. Refer in your textbook page number 30. Okay, draw it and write it in your homework note neatly and send it to me. Okay children, we will meet in next class. Thank you.